the rain is back. Hey guys, welcome to another day in my life in Dublin. It's a rainy Saturday, but that won't stop us to go outside. So we're heading out for brunch because it's been way too long, our last brunch. And after that I'm planning to go to IMMA, the Irish Museum of Modern Art. And I will also show you its design shop because it has gorgeous products. And the afternoon will be just a mix of cooking, cleaning, newsletter updating and chilling. So thanks for joining me on this day, and I'll have to catch the bus. Bye. We're going for brunch at Vada in Smithfield. I've been there before with a friend and I had a mushroom toast. It was delicious. So now I will try out something else, maybe the avocado toast. Brunch was super good. It was very tasty. We also had a pistachio dessert. It was also good, but I thought the pistachio taste would be more intense. But anyway, we didn't leave it there. So at the moment it's not raining, so I decided to walk to IMMA. And on the way there, I'll stop at one of my favorite coffee shops, Groundstate Coffee. Coffee is always good at Groundstate Coffee Shop, and once we also went there for brunch. The brunch was also super tasty. For a rainy day, visiting a museum is always a good program, and luckily Dublin has loads of options. I'm going to IMMA because I like contemporary art and it has a super cool museum shop, and they always have some nice puzzles, so it's time to update my collection. And other cool indoor programs would be visiting whiskey distilleries or the Guinness Storehouse. They are also nearby. And I already passed by two distilleries, Pierce Lyons and Roe & Co. And I have short videos about both. I'll put them in the description. And I've also written a blog post about the best whiskey distilleries in Dublin. I also started to draft a blog post about the best indoor programs for a rainy day in Dublin or something like that. So when it's ready, I'll also put the link in the description. There's also a cute garden next to IMMA, and I'll show it to you now because it's still not rainy, so we are lucky. Look at this! this super cool corridor leads you to the toilet. Ooh, I already have this at home. Haha, you're coming home with me. The rain is back and I'll go home now. I needed more than an hour to get home from the museum. Yeah, Dublin public transportation is not the best. Anyways, it's almost 6 p.m. so we won't clean the whole apartment. I'll just deal with the bathroom now. And when I clean the bathroom, I always listen to a podcast. So this way I'm making a not so pleasant task a better one. And I think today I'll listen to... Let me check what Mel Robbins has. Oh, I like it. Why making friends as an adult feels impossible and what to do about it. Okay. But let me show you the products we use for cleaning. I really like this EcoWare brand because they use clean ingredients and it's with a plant-based and biodegradable ingredients. Okay, let's start cleaning. now I will update my newsletter. I guess you didn't know that I have a newsletter. I mean, I didn't write to my subscribers in years. Shame on me. Anyways, I decided to restart it and have a monthly newsletter. And if you want to subscribe, I will put a link or something in the description. And in the newsletter, I will share my favorite things of the month. It will be something like Aliz's faves and finds. I need my cheat sheet. I didn't write it, so let me see. Yeah, the first one will be travel and foodie spots of the month. The second will be what I'm focusing on this month. So every month I'm trying out a new habit. For example, this month is prioritizing sleep. It's not working that well as I want to, but I'm still improving the habit. And another YouTuber inspired me to do this, Kelty O'Connor. She has a very cool channel with wellness and fitness tips. I will leave her account in the description below. And I think she did this a few years ago, that she tested out a different habit in every month, and then she just see if it sticks or not, how it's working, how it's not working. So I started this last year and I'm also doing this year. Number 3 will be current obsessions. This can be like a book, podcast, or product I'm loving this month. And by the way, the Mel Robbins podcast was very good. She was talking about the 3 pillars of friendship, and she also gave advice on how to make friends. Very good. I will also leave the link in the description for you if you want to listen to it. I highly recommend it. And number 4 in the email will be out of my comfort zone, because I'm planning to try out new things every month. And number 5 will be fresh from the blog and YouTube. So I will share my new posts from the blog and the channel. Yeah. Now let's write the email. The original plan was to have salmon and kale salad for dinner, but we ate only a few hours ago, so we will just make a sandwich. We will drink a glass of wine and watch a movie. Thanks a lot for watching, and like and subscribe for more Dublin and travel content. See you soon. Bye. Okay, let's watch the order.
Cheers.